you. Sentencing ready? Who do we have?
Your Honor, Kelsey Alvarado is present. I am ready to proceed. Mr. Bigelow just went to go get another court file where there is a warrant on a show cause.
Correct, Ms. Alvarado.
Yes. Mr. Baldwin was found not guilty by reason of insanity in Berry County. I think previously it said that he was found incompetent. I got the information from his wife, but it's actually not guilty by reason of insanity, and he's still at CHP. And then I have Mr. Adams and Mr. Smith here. I think they're just nominees.
That's correct.
Both anomalies. You already explained to them with,
Not prejudice.
okay, and Mr. Smith, there's an objection to destruction of the records.
For England County policy. I don't need it.
You guys have this one too? Okay, we're on the record in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Kelsey Lee Alvarado. File number is 19-04939. Council appearance.
Thank you, Your Honor. Assistant Public Defender Sarah Donnelly on behalf of the defendant Kelsey Alvarado, who is appearing separately by video.
Can you hear us, Ms. Alvarado?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, today was the date that was set for sentencing. Operating while intoxicated. Let's see. Did she ever do an assessment?
Your Honor, it's my understanding that Ms. Alvarado had an assessment scheduled. It had to be canceled because of a death in the family. She tried to reschedule it, but it hasn't happened yet because of her work schedule. But it's my understanding that she has since changed her work schedule. She works 7 days and then she'll be off for 7 days. So that, and she also works at CMH now. So she can't. Crystal Ray won't do the assessment anymore, but we've talked about her going to CMH to do that assessment now that she works there. She also she still has her kids full time, and she did make a $50 payment for her on her files. But or if the court would allow either an adjournment or sentencing, knowing that she will still get the assessment and the order to follow all treatment recommendations.
Okay. So she doesn't have one set.
No, she has to get one scheduled. I asked her when her plan is, and again, we worked on the fact that she needs to contact, now that she works at CMH, her employer and try and get that done.
I would like to see an assessment before I sentence her. I think the date of this incident is rather old. Was 2019. And I would imagine she's not in the same place now that she would have been then. So I don't know within good reason what to sentence her to, or how to properly tailor her sentencing. I don't want to just put her on a permanent probation for the sake of doing that. So I'm going to reset this so that she can get the assessment, and then we'll handle it at that time. Let's see. So I'm going to give her a new referral to probation so that once that assessment's done, they can update their report. At 8:30. May 22nd at 8:30 is the new date for sentencing. Okay, Ms. Alvarado, you'll stay in communication with your counsel to make sure you get that assessment completed and to probation, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
I appreciate that.
No problem. File number 21-01014. We have a bench warrant for failure to appear for show cause because you owe $150 for the allowing the suspended person that you pled guilty to back in January 10th. You said you'd pay within 30 days that you'd be paying $25 increments, but you haven't made any payments, I don't believe.
Your Honor,
yes, my
this
understanding
morning
she
I made a
like,
$50. Sorry.
This morning?
recently.
Yes, Your Honor.
And her plan is to make other than the $50 payment when her next payment is due on May 5th.
Okay, how did you make that payment? Was it online?
Yes, ma'am.
Her next payment will be when?
She said, it's scheduled already for May 5th, so she's gonna make $50. She arranged it for it to be 25, but she's gonna try to pay.
Well, April 5th is my next payment, but I can definitely make a payment then as well.
Oh, did I say May? I apologize. Your
April
Honor.
5th.
I meant April.
You'll
5th.
pay $25.
No, I think
50.
she's gonna try to make $50.
And then you'll pay the remaining May 5th.
Yes.
Okay, that'll take care of that file for today.
Thank you, Your Honor.
No problem. Any additional matters for the record? Counsel,
No, Your Honor, thank you.
thank you. You're all set, Ms. Alvarado.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Same to you. Okay, Casey Arena,
Yes.
on the record. Sorry, someone keeps logging in and trying to share their screen, and we don't do that here. Okay, we're on the record in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Casey Arena. File number is 22-03050. Ms. Arena, the purpose of today's hearing is a show cause because you owe $100.
Yes.
When are you gonna pay that?
I was supposed to pay it last month, but I didn't get a chance to because my water got shut off. And I had to pay that. So I get a check that gets sent out at the first of every month. I get Section 8 and I get a utility check every month. I wouldn't be able to pay all of it because I mean I do have to put on my utility bill or whatever, but I could pay 50 of it and then on the next month pay 50 of it.
Yeah, I'll note that here in the file, so you'll be paid in full by May 1st.
Yeah.
Okay, you're all set then, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Yep.
Why did you take the Deb's trucking?
You reset it.
Who reset it?
And Nick reset the show cause. I heard him say.
Why? I didn't authorize him to do it. Who authorized him to do it? Who represents Mr. Evans?
That'd be Mr. Lee.
He won't start, so. Send this back to the wrong Hackenberg. Which one is it? Randy? Again, Pollock. Mr. Pollock is trying to log back in. Who represent Mr. Pollock?
I do.
Oh, okay. He's trying to log back in, but he keeps trying to share a screen. And then, Mr. Lee, do you have Mr. Evans' number?
You have Brandon Evans' number, because he can't get audio.
I hate to have to go into my settings and
I'll do it.
It's 517-962-6.
Okay, well, Brandon left. And Mr. Pollock is back. Oh my gosh.
Mr. Polly trying to share a screen again.
He's trying to traumatize us because he's done it multiple times. I think he knows what he's doing. I have to stop him before he shares what he's trying to share. You know, you have to go through the share screen, like it's not an accident.
Right. I believe we're ready to go on Tyson. If you're ready, Judge.
I'm doing a warrant. Good morning, can you hear us?
Yes. Yes.
I'll just stay in the meeting room because he keeps trying to share a screen. I'm sorry,
Can I talk with Mr. Evans for just a minute before we
who's
start?
representing Mr. Tyson?
I am. We can do him too real quick.
Yeah, we're gonna do him first. I just needed to finish this warrant. I'll do my warrant. Maybe wait again.
Maybe we won't.
I know, I was trying to get, so, Pollock's in the meeting room. I don't, like I said, I don't have a phone number for, your phone number for him.
He
so
left.
me and
He
my
keeps
breakout.
logging in and out. And then he keeps trying, when he gets in the room, he keeps trying to share a screen instead of starting his audio.
I need contact information.
It's not in the file.
I don't, what numbers do you have in the file? 'Cause I don't, the number that I got from the arraignment is not,
It ends in 0215.
yep, that's not, it didn't work for me. Went straight to some of you guys who works at Merrill Lynch's voice.
I got a number from a victim the other day. It was discount airline tickets for Michigan.
No way.
So,
That was the number CPS provided me.
Every time I stop his sharing, he gets booted out though. How do I need to go on my settings. How do I stop from allowing other people to share? 'Cause we're
I
done.
think you can,
I know, I just
or
can't.
ask permission.
Yeah, they gotta ask permission and I need to change the settings because I'm kind of done with this. really good.
Oh, yeah, now certain one. That's John's piece. That's it.
Oh, yeah, you interpreter?
Yes.
So.
It's currently 9:43.
Yeah, what time is that kid set for us?
10 o'clock. Those phone batteries, not NAK, WA, 23, 588.
Prevent someone from sharing.
Oh, it was reset?
The plan was reset.
When I looked it up, it said it was under something about a screen share, but when I looked at your screen, I didn't see that.
Me neither.
So
Maybe maybe I have an outdated version.
Because we get requested interpreter, we need more time to get one.
Yeah, so that's what he said.
Maybe they got one. Did you already talk to
Are you
Mr.
a
Kwan?
friend of the Quans or?
No, I work for the court.
Work for the court, okay. Naquan won't be.
Oh, you already called him.
I
out.
already told him. that his name was
My
reset.
knowledge is-
Oh.
yeah,
Huh?
Boom. Throw him.
How do you know
Oh, that's how we do.
that? Yeah, I mean, right, that's how he was working here before we reset.
I wonder what's- I disabled anybody being able to screen share. Now he's not interested. You're not traumatizing me.
We all know what he wanted to share.
Exactly. You're not traumatizing me. It's not going down on a Monday. Okay, we're on the record in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Tyrone Tyson, call number 23-00560, council appearance.
Brian Ring on behalf of people.
Assistant Public Defender John Lee on behalf of Tyrone Tyson, who is standing to my right.
Mr. Tyson, how are you? I'm doing well, thank you. Today's the date and the time that was set for a pre-trial. I have one count of domestic violence. How are we proceeding?
And we're gonna set it for a final pre-trial and jury trial.
Okay, no offer?
There's no offer at the time.
we can do final pre-trial April 10th at 8 a.m. And jury trial April 17th at 8 a.m.
Okay, we'll get your copy of your notice to appear. Do you have any questions today, Mr. Tyson? Okay, we'll see you in person at the court on April 10th at 8 o'clock in the morning. Any additional matters for the record?
I do have one additional matter, Your Honor. In regards to bond, Mr. Tyson is operating under the court order for no contact. We would like to ask for an exception for a third-party contact to arrange for visitation with the child.
You're requesting a third-party contact with Audrey, or Audrey Vela? Andrea Vela. Is that who you're requesting third-party contact with? You can make that request at the family court, okay? There's a no contact order, no direct or indirect contact. I'm not arranging family visitation in this court. Okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
You can speak to Mr. Evans.
Yes, please. Will be brief.
Really, I think they want your attention. Record in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Jennifer Marie Beard, file number 23-00557. Council appearance.
Brian Ring on behalf of the people.
And Assistant Public Defender Sarah Donnelly on behalf of the defendant, Jennifer Beard, who is appearing separately by video.
Ms. Beard, can you hear us?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Today's the date and the time. excuse me, set for a pre-trial. I have one count of domestic violence. How are we proceeding?
Your Honor, at this time, I don't believe there's any offer. We'd be asking it be set for final pretrial and retrial.
Is that correct?
One second, this file, the road judge, I believe that is correct, but
Okay.
there you go.
I mean, final pretrial April 10th at 8 a.m. And jury trial April 17th.
Pre-trial April 10th at 8 o'clock in the morning in person at the court. Jury trial will be scheduled for April 17th at 8 o'clock in the morning, also in person at the court. Do you have any questions at this time, ma'am?
No, I do not. Thank you.
Okay, any additional matters for the record, counsel?
Nothing from the people, thank you, Your Honor.
And no for defense, thank you.
Okay, ma'am, we'll see you on April 10th.
All right, thank you very much.
No problem. Well, I'm gonna charge some stuff here. It's both my iPad and my phone dying.
Right.
Yep, they're fine. I'm just charging it. I'm about to move it. You can be seated.
I'll just do it to my computer.
There's no outlet. Oh, that is gonna be.
Probably does this. Or you can pull that. I'm gonna let you do it. I'll say it to my mama. The plug's back.
Oh, I was getting asked about bush rate though. Because there was suspected drugs found. Did you
There you
know
go.
Oh, is he back?
Yeah, all he wants to do is share the screen and traumatize the court.
He wants to share a screen but not enter, join into a meeting. Possibly stop him from sharing his screen.
You don't have a good number, so you can't call it that, you
I know, I called it again. It's, yeah, some Kevin something at Merrill Lynch goes right to voicemail.
I don't see any other charges.
Yeah, I figured, it didn't say in the police report that the officers referred it.
Yeah, I don't see any
So-
other.
Yeah, so that he's lucky that way. I was gonna tell him to take, I thought you were gonna just like do the IBAC and I'm like, this guy deserves 10
No, I'll give
or
it,
breathalyzer.
I'll give it first. That dude that didn't send his appearance to the court. That's cool. Key numbers like
Wow.
that.
Still not as low as Dwayne Silverthorne, but Dwayne's got twos.
Oh,
Yeah.
send him an email right now. The court bench will remove his client.
You said you had a probation violation on Thursday, right? You said before?
Thursday.
You can be seated.
Like work of what, this week?
Maybe.
I was gonna say nothing's scheduled.
Oh, it's not on my schedule anymore. Maybe someone in my office corrected it.
The writ is just for the court costs. By what? I see Mr. Woody walking down the street this morning. Wearing a leather jacket. That's pretty cool. Shaquila did not pay her fines and costs.
Yeah, that's it, yeah. I'm not gonna pull it.
Right.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
All right.
No, I'm just gonna be water. Probably. Right. She got another? Measuring the moral intention to know that condition. Rarely. Oh, was it? Well, then it's not like the issue.
That's what I'm saying. See it.
Tether, shoot, my electric accidentally. All right, January. I don't think Robert Pearl's showing up. Robert Pearl, friggin', you know what? If you're not gonna show up, don't email me afterwards that you tried to get. And then, you know, you'll turn around and just not show up.
It was like a 50 to 100 cut panel for 996. Did you
Yeah,
see
last
that?
night, or Saturday evening, yeah, I got the alert that
Wow.
they closed down, 69 between us and Grand Rapids and Miami County. It was, I like about 5 o'clock. I went to go pick up the kids from their friend's house and it was blizzard conditions on the
Oh,
highway.
yeah, it was. We were coming home from Clinton County around 4:30, 5 o'clock. We're coming out from St. John's and it was like, you could not see 5 feet in front of your face.
Yes,
Really?
in fact, so I had slowed down to like 55, I was slowing down because it's like, you're in Michigan, those conditions are right there where you don't see that there's a 50, 100 mile car wreck right in front of you.
Yeah.
I'm slowing down, but of course, people are still going like 65, close to 70, stuff like that. But then, of course, I pick up the kids, turn around, head back home, blue skies. It was sunny. Snow was starting to melt on the way home.
What a mission, that's really-
Yeah.
Super nasty.
But that's about when it happened, 5:19 or around that. There's Mr. Bushwick.
Yeah, it's like that.
Hello?
Yes, I do. I'm in breakout. I'm in one.
Yeah, I think so. That's why I feel like for Saturday, I was going to the end of the day for I didn't realize how bad.
I have not. Did you check Word? Sorry. Oh, yeah, it was real fun outside in 24-degree weather topping up. It was an outdoor range.
Is it really?
Yeah.
That's chilly.
Yeah. It was a little, I get a nice tight group in though. My wife kept blaming the weather on hers. I'm like, like, I got a nice tight group and I don't know. I don't know how much the weather plays into that.
I think whether it plays into your hands.
Oh, yeah, yeah. She had gloves on. I didn't have clothes on. She had gloves.
That's cool.
It was good. The chill.
Some cool steel line like that. But everything went good.
Yeah. It was
Maybe she wanted to.
So I don't get yours. We can have a vote, we can have our cake and eat it.
All rise.
Okay, you can be seated. Word on the street is everybody can hear what y'all was talking about.
That's all right.
Let's just see what he's trying to do. Let's play with him. We're going through all of that for what?
Trying to show us the language.
Whenever I hit stop his sharing, it boots him, so. He's been reset for in person. I'm not letting him in anymore. We're on the record in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Brandon Valdez Evans, file numbers 22-02583 and 23-00543. Council appearance.
Brand ring on behalf of the people.
Assistant Public Defender John Lee on behalf of Brandon Evans, who is appearing with us via Zoom.
Interesting. It's like an extra file in here. Let's see what. Which one is it? Okay. Today was the date we're trying to set for pretrial. I have domestic violence in each file. How are we proceeding?
Yeah, at this time, there's been no offer put forth from people who will be proceeding to final pre-trial and jury trial.
Okay, let's see here. I'm going to have the final pretrials on the same day, but you can give them different trial dates.
Oh, April 10th for the final trial. One jury trial can set April 17th.
April 17th will be for the 2-2 final.
Okay. And then April 24th.
Okay. File number ending in 2583. Your final pretrial will be April 10th, 8 o'clock in the morning in person at the court. Your jury trial on that matter will be set for April 17th at 8 o'clock in the morning in person at the court. The other file, the file number ending in 543, your final pretrial will be in person at April 10th at 8 o'clock in the morning in person at the court, and then jury trial April 24th. Do you have any questions today, Mr. Evans? You're muted. You have to unmute for us to hear you.
Yes. Can you hear me?
I can hear you now, sir. Did you have a question?
All right. So do I just come to the one on April 10th or do I come to all the pre-trials that I
You need to
have?
come to all of them. You have to come to all of them, sir.
All right. Would I get the letter in the mail on each one that I have to come to?
Correct. You'll get a letter in the, or a notice to appear in the mail on both files. But you've also been advised on the record here today of when your next court dates are, okay? So we need to see you in person on April 10th, okay?
All right.
Any other questions, sir?
No.
Any additional matters for the record?
Nothing for people, thank you.
Nothing for the defense, Your Honor.
Okay, you're all set, sir. Thank you,
All right.
Mr. Evans. Mr. Baldwin did not appear. Is that correct? Baldwin?
What about Baldwin?
Did he not appear?
Reginald Baldwin, he's at CFP. He was not found not guilty by reason of insanity. So yeah, he'll be there until May. I'm keeping updated with his wife. So just if the court would just keep adjourning it.
So I can leave, Your Honor?
Yes, Mr. Evans, you're good to go. May 22nd.
All right.
For Baldwin. Yeah. Okay. That's yours, Mr. Busher.
Push raise mine, Your Honor. Ready to go.
We're on the record in the matter, the people of the state of Michigan versus David Adams Stoudemire, file number 21-03496. Council appearance.
Brian Ring on behalf of the people.
Assistant Public Defender John Lee on behalf of David Stoudemire, who is in the courtroom and standing to my right.
Mr. Stoudemire, long time no see. How are you? Okay. Today was the date set for a pretrial and malicious destruction of a building. Was there an offer on this?
There was, Your Honor, that was the plea to, and I had to count 2 malicious destruction of a building less than $200 plus restitution.
Malicious destruction of a building less than 200?
That's correct, Judge.
And how much is restitution?
I don't have the exact amount right now. It's estimated to be around $300 though.
Mr. Stoudemire would like an opportunity to consider the offer and also get a firm restitution amount. So we're looking to set for final pretrial and trial and hope that we can probably resolve this at the final.
Do final pretrial April 10th at 8 AM. Pretrial 17.
Final pretrial, April 10th at 8 o'clock in the morning in person at the court, and jury trial, April 17th at 8 o'clock in the morning in person at the court. I'm not requiring witnesses to appear for the final pretrial. Do you have any questions today, sir? Okay, any additional matters for the record today, council?
I think on behalf of the people, thank you, Your Honor.
Nothing for the defense. Your Honor.
Okay, we'll see you on April 10th. We'll get you a copy of your notice to appear, okay? We're on the record in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Christopher Bushrag, file number 23-00654. Council appearance.
Brian Ring on behalf of the people.
And Assistant Public Defender Sarah Donnelly on behalf of the defendant Christopher Gray, who is appearing separately by video.
Mr. Bushrag, can you hear us clearly? Okay, you're muted, but it looks like you said yes, you can. Today is the date and the time that was set for a pretrial and operating while intoxicated second offense. How are we proceeding?
Your Honor, at this time, the state is willing to offer OWI first. This has actually been mischarged OWI second. It should have been a IDAC, but the offer will be OWI first. At this time, Mr. Bushray and I have just met. I'd like an opportunity to go over the discovery with him and any other questions he might have about this offer. If we could have it reset to the next available state docket day.
April 3rd at 10 a.m.
April 3rd at 10 o'clock in the morning. Mr. Boucher, can you unmute so that we can hear you?
This is
Can you hear me now?
the button in the bottom.
Okay, very good. Do you have any questions, sir? You just reviewed.
No. No.
Okay, very good. Any additional matters for the record today, council?
Nothing on behalf of the people, thank you.
And none for defense. Thank you.
Thank you. You're all set, sir.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye.
Bye. What's your name, sir? What's your last name?
My last name is Thomas.
Okay, Ms. Monet Thomas actually was speaking to someone in the courtroom, but thank you.
Oh, no problem. Sorry.
Said Devon Hopkins.
How do you spell it? I don't see anything over here right now for him, but how do you spell your first name?
Nothing open. What brings you to court today, sir?
I was directed to appear here.
You see what his notice of appearance for? Get that file number.
Well, it's for Eccles. It's a pre-trial PA 53. Yep, right here. He's in the right place. Eccles. At 10:30. You gotta.
He's appearing on for Eccles.
He was subpoenaed.
Are you subpoenaed?
Are you in the notice to appear? This is given to you. You're the victim on it.
Okay, got it.
Sweet.
Who's representing Ms. Thomas?
I am.
Did you speak with her? Did she get her fingerprints? On file number 2275.
Yeah.
We're just looking to set the Monet Thomas matter for a final trial and trial.
There's no valid ops.
Yeah, she is, the issue she's having with the license is that she has this pending assault and battery charge, so she's wanting to get the assault and battery resolved so that she can then get her license.
Ms. Thomas? Hi, who's on phone number ending in 0215?
Yes, it is.
Who are you?
My name is Aaron Power.
Oh, Mr. Pollock. Cool. That's his number right there.
I've been trying to get onto Zoom video.
Yeah, you've been trying to share your screen, so what, I don't know what's going on with your phone, but your attorney's gonna call you, okay?
Okay, would you know when that's gonna be?
She's gonna call you right now. This is your phone number,
Okay,
290-0215?
Yes, it is, ma'am.
Okay, she's She's gonna call you and we're resetting your matter for you to appear in person, okay?
Okay.
Thank you.
Right. Go back in
Okay,
there.
Ms. Thomas?
Go back in there. Yes.
Okay. We need your fingerprints on file number 20-02275. Can you hear me?
Now I can. It was breaking up a little bit. I'm sorry.
Yeah, it looked like you froze a little bit. We need your fingerprints on file number 20-02275.
Okay, how do I do that?
You will come down to the court, well, to the building that the court is in, but you'll go to the police department so they can complete the order for your fingerprints on that file.
The one on Michigan?
Yes, we're on Michigan.
Okay. And when will
Please
I
come
have?
first. You need to do it this week because that order was supposed to be taken care of when you were arraigned.
They never told me about a fingerprint.
Okay, well, I would have told you unless this was your first time before me on this file.
Okay, yeah, they never told me about a fingerprint, but yeah, I'll see what I can do to get it done.
Okay. You want a final pretrial?
Yes, please.
Your attorney is requesting a final pretrial on this, so we'll set it for final pretrial.
Okay.
Final pretrial, April 10th, 8 a.m. And jury trial, April 24th.
And may I ask why I need a fingerprint?
You're being charged with a crime. Every time you get charged with a crime, we need your fingerprints.
Okay, I was arrested and they did my fingerprints, but okay.
Okay, I recognize that, but there's an order for you to get fingerprinted on this. Any other questions on that?
Nope.
Okay, and so you need to appear in person on April 10th for a final pretrial. Your fingerprints need to be done, however, by the end of this week, okay?
Yep, I'll do my best to get it done.
Okay, if you don't get it done, the bench warrant issues. That's how that works.
Okay.
No, I'm not setting a final pretrial on a driving while license is suspended. You can set that for a pretrial on April 24th. Your driving while license not valid will be set for April 24th.
Okay, thank you.
Your final pretrial on April 10th is in person at the court. Your jury trial is April 24th in person at the court.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, do you have any questions?
No, I do not. I will get that in the mail though, right?
Yeah, notice will go to the address that you provided, the court,
Okay.
but you've been also noticed here on the record of the date and time. Any additional matters for the record, counsel?
Nothing on behalf of people. Thank you.
Nothing for the defense, Your Honor.
Okay, you're all set, Ms. Thomas.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, 10:30. I'm not seeing Denise.
Denise Bryant is here in
Denise.
the courtroom.
She's here in the courtroom. Denise Bryant, are you ready to proceed?
Yes, sure.
We're on the record in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Denise Ann Bryant, file number 23-00631. Counsel appearance.
Brian Ring on behalf of the people.
Assistant Public Defender John Lee on behalf of Denise Bryant, who's in the courtroom standing to my right.
How are you, Ms. Bryant? All right. Today was the date and time set for a pretrial on an assault and battery. How we proceed?
All right, this time we leave it set for final pre-trial and jury trial. There was no offer extension.
April 10th,
Final pre-trial, April 17th at 8 a.m.
April 17th for final pretrial in person at the court.
And then jury trial, April 24th.
Jury trial, April 24th at 8 o'clock in the morning, also in person at the court. And do you have any questions today for the court? Let it know. Okay, guys, be able to pick you up on the record. Any additional matters for the record, counsel?
Nothing on behalf of the people. Thank you, Your Honor.
Nothing for the defense, Your Honor.
We'll get you a notice to appear, okay? Thank you. Robert Pearl, who knew he wasn't coming. Okay. Alvon Copeland. Not here.
Sarah Donald.
Did Eccles appear?
Sorry. Okay.
Calvin Copeland.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, and then, yep, you can go ahead and remove your do-rag. We don't do
Okay.
that in court,
Oh, my bad.
no problem. And then someone by the name of Raya, please start your video. What's your name?
Mariah.
Okay.
Is this for the dog license?
Correct. What are we doing on that? Okay, your matter is dismissed, Mr. Copeland.
Excuse me, Your Honor, I'm sorry.
The prosecutor just dismissed your matter, so you're all set.
Okay.
Okay. Who's representing Miss Eccles?
I believe that's John.
Mhm.
Okay. Who's talking? Who's talking now?
Some guy that walked in.
Mm-mm.
He was asking.
There's nobody else on our docket except for Miss Eccles. He gotta handle her first.
Well, this guy tried to flag me down too.
Sounds like you're up. Turn her radar on and you can talk to her about it. Okay, we're on the record in the matter of the people of the state of Michigan versus Lariah Eccles, file number 23-00624. Council appearance.
Brian Ring on behalf of the people.
Assistant Public Defender John Lee on behalf of Ryan Eccles.
Ms. Eccles, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm gonna address a PA 53 violation, which is the violation of your bond conditions. And then I'm gonna let you speak to your attorney. I have two bond violations. One is alleging that you crossed state lines. without the court's approval. Your attorney did indicate that he was concerned as to whether or not you were advised that you're not to travel outside the state without prior approval of the court. We'll address that in a moment, but there's a violation that there's an allegation that your GPS is cut off right now because you didn't pay the bill.
Yes, we have to, my mother said she was gonna call them today and get it cut on. She didn't connect her card to the bracelet or something. So she said she was gonna call Hannah, the person that put the bracelet on, to connect it. I thought it was on because it's been charging this whole time.
Violation that involves a victim.
Sorry, Judge,
Did we have a victim here, Jay?
The tether.
I just said him was. Judge.
I
He
was
was-
gonna
he
say,
was
I
the-
was trying to understand why we had one.
He was the young man sitting in the back. right?
Yeah, I was,
He wasn't subpoenaed for it.
Oh.
He
he just got a notice?
just got a notice and showed up today. There was no subpoena sent. He didn't have. a
Yeah,
subpoena
that's why I was
notice.
confused. I don't have anything that would require a victim to be here. I don't have an allegation that she made contact with him. Okay. Why was GPS necessary in the first place? Let's see here. I'm sorry?
They lived together and that's how he got there.
That's possible. Let's see. I think they probably lived together. He probably opened him in. Okay, we're gonna go off the record so you can meet with your attorney.
Okay.
Did you,
Mr. Oh,
was
wait,
there
let
bench
me-
warrant for Pearl?
of course. Mr. Ring, I reviewed the file. I don't believe it's necessary. Can you hear me?
You said Mr.
I'm sorry, Mr. Lee. I always do that. Mr. Lee?
Yes, ma'am.
I reviewed the file. I don't believe Ms. Echols needs a GPS tether, so I'm gonna remove that requirement.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, you're welcome.
don't like the new jail call system. It's hard. It's a little bit more of a pain in the butt to look things up in it.
How's Mr. Piper doing?
He doesn't like it either. He doesn't like it
It's the
either.
standard. If he doesn't like it, then it's not a fit. They should have advised, they
Ask
should have sought
him,
him
right.
for
He
his
wants the other,
advice on how to improve the jail call system.
he wants the other one back.
Let's